So I haven't fully yet gone into what we're doing with the best I can describe it as next level of remote work healing energy. It's early in the morning. I've just had this on in the background. They are talking, and because it's based on the premise of the work of Albert Einstein, Nikola Tesla, Rife, etc. Well, those are some of the names you might have heard of. And this explains it to a T. So I'm just going to let this one roll. Here we go.
Is it possible that Albert Einstein's method of meditation, which he called his thought experiments, was actually connecting him to the Akashic record? Could the source of inspiration behind the world's geniuses be the Akashic record? If so, how could such a metaphysical plane of knowledge exist? Perhaps the answer could be found in one of Albert Einstein's many theories. In 1935, he published a paper describing quantum entanglement. It theorized that if a particle is split into two parts, both remain linked to one another, even when separated over vast distances.
The experiments showed that two particles separated in space and time demonstrated a connectivity. If you change the spin of one particle, the other particle would actually change its spin as well.
In other words, if something happens to one, the other responds in the same or an equal and opposite manner, and that this occurs instantaneously. So it's a form of instantaneous communication. It's what Einstein referred to as spooky communication at a distance.
What we have to remind our...
So just spooky communication at a distance. Whoa. Now, for those of you who have followed me in the stuff that I do with the HUNA, H-U-N-A, you would already have experienced that, even when doing the energy clearings and you're listening to an MP3 recording 5, 10 or so years later and still feeling the impact of that. And this whole, what I'm doing now just takes this in a whole other direction. And that's why I was saying to some of you, you have the option to send a nail clipping, because that whole thing that he's talking about where one particle molecule is in one place, another is in a different location. So you are connected to that, even though the nail clipping would be here with me, putting it into the energy field. But my God, I do love a good dose of synchronicity, and this is just perfect because the equipment arrives on Tuesday. Today's Monday. So it arrives on Tuesday, and the experiment, once I get it all set up, will most likely start later on this week for those of you who have signed up to do it. And so this is absolutely perfect timing. So what I'm probably going to do is send you this video so you can watch it and get just a little bit more of an insight into what we're going to be doing, the direction we're taking this. But my God, this could not have been better timing. Synchronicity indeed. Wow, wow, wow. So yeah, hold on to your hats if you're taking part. This is going to be out of this world. Anyway, I shall leave it there. Marilyn Devonish, the Neuro Success Coach from transformationstm.com. And what is this one? I think this one's Ancient Aliens. Yeah. But they really got into the science side of it this time round. And yeah, 1:58 a.m. Monday the 13th of May, the year 2024. This is beyond exciting, and my goodness, a whole new realm of energy work, of transformation. Just wow. Watch this space and hold on to your energetic metaphorical hat. Catch you all later.